Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, heads-up display, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.